Assalamualaikum. I just took a shower and I'm getting ready to meet my college friends because today I have an appointment to work on assignment with them. I want to wear a college blazer. And this is the blazer. And now I want to do simple makeup to look fresh. Oh yeah, I already used toner and sunscreens. So now I just need to apply a light layer of powder. Then, because my eyebrows are already thick, I don't need to use eyebrow pencil. Just dye them up. Now they are neat. Now I just need to apply a light layer of lipstick because I don't really like makeup. Besides, I'm not young anymore. Then I put on a light layer of shadow. I use the lipstick that stuck to my lips, which I think was too much. Haha. That is it. Done. I'm ready to go. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.